Bloomberg Terminal versus TradingView. Which is better for traders or investors? I'm going to tell you the key differences between Bloomberg Terminal and TradingView, and which one fits your style. Bloomberg Terminal is the heavyweight. It's built for institutional traders, portfolio managers, and analysts. Real-time global data, breaking news, deep financials, and direct access to market participants via Bloomberg Chat. But it costs over $20,000 a year. You're paying for the speed, accuracy, and breadth. If you manage millions, it's worth it. TradingView is modern, visual, and way more affordable. It's built for the retail traders and indie investors. You get slick charts, tons of indicators, social trading ideas, and easy script automation via PineScript. It's great for technical analysis and even the free version is usable. So, who's it for? Bloomberg if you're on Wall Street, TradingView if you're on your laptop trading crypto, stocks, or forex. Big budget versus small tools. Choose what matches your mission.